Okay, I'm back again. This is my quick, unprofessional review of the new, well, my new Tsunami 24 RDA. It's going to be replacing maybe my old 22 millimeter Tsunami. I've had that for 3 years. And this is, of course, by geekvape. This is the box that comes in. And of course comes with all the tools and jiggers. As you see, there's a screwdriver, a couple grip tips, a little bag of extra accessories. Now the one thing I noticed about this, it has a little glass window to view your, I don't know what, coil in. Nice touch, but just one more thing to potentially break, I would say. But let's take a look at it. I'll put this on my mod. Well, they built it. It's not going to fall apart on you. And there it is. It's pretty much the same deck as the 22 millimeter model. So I'm going to get a couple coils in it and wick this up and give it a try. Okay, I'm back. Pretty standard coil and wicking procedure. I actually use this pre-made wire. It's .08 by .03 flat wrapped in 32 gauge Canthal A1 alien wire. Pretty standard breaking, the same as the regular Tsunami, 2 post 4 holes. I use 6 wraps on a .25 in diameter core. And using some of my own Captain Crunch flavored 2 mg. And we're getting coiled nice and wet. So you coils leaking. Now usually what I do, I just wet the cotton at the edges and let it soak up into the foil. A little more in the middle so we'll have a nice anchor to draw from. Yeah, pretty slight. I recommend when you're first putting this together, make sure you get a little bit of juice onto the rubber rings down here to help seal and slide down better. Wow. Oh yeah, the flavors there is just every bit as good as the 22, the Tsunami 22. I'd say it's probably my next go-to flavor RDA. Yeah, I'll be highly recommending these to anyone that asks for what, the best for flavor. That's it, hands down. Better than the outside. I have one of those dead rabbits, and this just literally blows it out of the water. I mean, if you have a dead rabbit, you bottle these, your dead rabbit will be in the trash. And that's the end of another one of my unprofessional, unpaid for, nobody gives a shit reviews.